Hey, buddy.
What's
Are
up,
you
man?
lost? That's
No,
a
man.
nice bike you
Thanks,
got there,
man.
man. Let me ask you.
Yeah.
Got any money on you?
If I have any money on me,
Yeah,
I think I might have like
Sure,
20 or
this is a
30
nice bike,
bucks.
bro.
Break. So, a question I got is, Nick, how do I defend myself when I'm on my bicycle? Now, you know, if when he approached me, and if I'm here, obviously I felt like, you know, he started telling me, you have a nice bike, where are you going? And he started getting really close. For me, let's say go grab me, from here to here, grab, I'm on my bike. It's hard for me to fight while I'm on my bike. So what did I do? The instant I felt kind of threatened, I didn't do this and expose my back. So just a small tip that I can give you that's gonna make all the difference. What did I do? I did this. So I created the bike, became like an improvised weapon where I created almost like a shield between me and my attacker. So I got off this side. I faced him, I brought my hands up. I'm still holding the bike, right? But my hands came up. As soon as he got close, boom, I struck him. Okay, now in reality, I went, oh, bam, I would have struck, you know, it maybe, boom, could I have used my bike? It's a little bit too heavy to actually use the bike. Maybe I would have hammered him with something like this. But probably if you're gonna get one lesson out of here is that if you think, let's say come in front here, Costa, and you start talking to him and you, let's say grab my bike, whatever, and he starts doing this and he's talking to him and he's intimidating me, I gotta get up here, right? If I decide he start moving around here, I'm gonna start maybe doing this over here. I'm like, what's up, man? Like maybe I'll use my bike as a shield, as a static improvised weapon where I'm talking to him, right? And at any point he gets close, boom, I'll strike him, right? So what you don't want to do, again, is come over here, Costa. What you don't want to do is stay static on the bike where I'm here and he decides, let's say, go grab me or anything. I'm here and suddenly I'm fighting with him in close quarter while I'm on the bike. So, again, if you're faced with an attacker, he starts coming in close, he's talking to you, get off the bike. Use the bike as a shield. Hold the bike still, right? And let's say he grabs the bike and he does this, boom, I'll strike him with it. So it really depends on what happens. I don't want to give you something so specific. So I'm trying to teach you guys real self-defense. So if there's anything that I want you to get out of this is the awareness and not making sometimes mistakes. Because if you don't watch a video, if you don't train it, you won't think about it. What you might do, approach me, Costa, you might do this and be like, what's up, man? How's it going? Like already, look, I'm here. Let's say he decides to push me. Boom, I'm doing this, I'm falling down. But the difference is, come over here. Use it as a shield. Talk to him. What's up? Bam. Strike him over here. Keep the bike between me and him. Strike him as fast as possible. If he decides, let's say, to go around, I could be like, what's up, man? I could also do this. What's going on? Where I'm always keeping the bike here and I'm trying to talk to him. And at any point, let's say do whatever you want, Costa. He decided to come here right now. If I was here, I would just jam the bike here. Once I would jam the bike here, probably from there, I would just jam it down. Boom. Would I be able to knee? Probably not. But what I would do is just pull here and then knee him right in the face. Again, I'm not trying to teach you guys a specific technique or move. It's the concept and the idea that I want you to learn on how to use an improvised weapon. And this bike right now becomes an improvised weapon. Learn how to use everything in your environment to your favor. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next lesson.